Konnichiwa, watashi wa namae wa Kanaya desu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu.
My name is Adrian and I'm from grade 11 and I'm from we miss.
So you can speak bahasa?
Nggak bisa sih.
True or false, BINUS School? Wait, salah.
Hai, nama gue Bagas dari kelas 12A.
I'm Beran Syarif Physical. I'm from 9B.
Hi, I'm Jonathan. I'm from HS 11B.
My name is Kanaya, and I'm in grade 11A, and I'm a BINUS SCHOOL Bekasi student. Proud.
Hi everyone, my name is Polinka Azati and I am from MS9C.
Hello, my name is Radendro Delovranishita Mahaganya and my nickname is Ray and I'm from the MS9A class.
Hi everyone, my name is Adrian and I'm from grade 11.
False.
False, because sometimes we speak with our friends with bahasa.
False.
That is false.
False, because we have subjects like Mandarin and Bahasa Indonesia, so we speak those language in those subjects.
I would say false, but other than that, we also have electives that teach us a variety of languages like Japanese or German, if you're interested.
Karena di sini juga diajarin Mandarin, terus ada klub-klub ekstra juga.
Can you speak Japanese?
Ah, of course, yes. Konnichiwa, watashi wa namae wa Kanaya desu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu.
Nih ya, 1 sampai 10 aja. I, er, san, se, u, liu, ci, pa, qiu, she.
Hey!
False.
Enggak.
False.
False.
Academics are actually important, but yeah, we like to focus on other things that are outside of the academics, but we still keep our academics as our priority.
Because we do provide clubs and also other courses such as like clubs that is including esports and other athletic sports or maybe arts or any martial arts that relate to that.
Di luar akademik, kamu interestnya kemana paling kan?
Mungkin lebih ke musik.
Musik. Jadi kamu elektifnya apa? Atau klubnya?
Speech and debate club.
Kamu ikut klub atau elektif apa?
I joined a club which is the esports club because I enjoy playing games, which is playing Valorant.
True.
True.
Yeah, itu biasa true.
Because based on my experiences, the students here show respect in the form of, like, for example, paying attention to the teachers and, you know, greetings with the staff members.
A new student here in 10th grade, and the moment I stepped into the school, everyone was so welcoming, like especially the students. I was able to get along with them well and meet them and treat them very quickly as friends. So it made me feel very comfortable. So I can say very much guarantee as a new student that BINUS SCHOOL Bekasi students very nice and kind.
True, because we have the spirit values kan, itu beneran di-apply in our daily life.
The 6 spirit values, the S1 stands for striving for excellence, P stands for perseverance, I stands for integrity, R stands for respect, and the I again stands for innovation, T stands for
Teamwork.
Oke, mantap.
Apa? Udah 6 tahun di BINUS. False lah.
False.
false.
False, because we respect and support other religion and race.
We usually never even ask about our friends' religion. Like since day one, we never like ask them, hey, what's your religion? No, we don't usually try to do that.
We don't discriminate here in BINUS SCHOOL Bekasi. We love everyone. We treat them as equals, and like religion isn't even part of our main conversations. We treat them as human beings. So
Because we are meant to have relationship with anyone and to have a friendship with anyone.
Oke, thank you Kanaya.
thank you.
Oke.
Asik. Thank you.